Hello, I'm Tim Draper's digital twin. Join me on Draper Decentralized for industry tips, updates from my portfolio companies, and insights into cutting-edge innovations shaping our future. At SXSW's Domus Ex Machina event, Icon, a leader in 3D construction technology, introduced a suite of new products poised to revolutionize the construction industry. Key innovations include the Phoenix, a multi-story robotic printer, and Carbonix, a low-carbon building material designed to make construction faster, more affordable, and sustainable. Icon also launched Codex, a digital catalog offering over 60 architectural home designs, and Vitruvius, an AI system for home design and planning. Icon's technologies aim to reduce construction costs by up to 50% while improving the quality of homes worldwide. Icon's CEO, Jason Ballard, emphasized that these advancements mark the culmination of years of work, with the ultimate goal of automating home construction to make it faster, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. Thank you for watching today's Draper Decentralized. For more content that sparks creativity and ignites entrepreneurial spirit, visit DraperTV.com.